Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to thank the honourable member, Honourable Kripal, for asking the question. Mr. Speaker, in the last financial year, we were able to complete 7 nature-based seawall in Fiji. Unfortunately, our target was more than that, but due to the pandemic, we were not able to complete the targeted number. We were looking at about 18 nature-based seawall, but with the lockdowns and COVID restrictions, we completed 7, 3 in the Northern Division, 3 in the Western Division, and 1 in the Maritime. The Northern Division, the 3 projects benefited a population of 805. In the Western Division, it benefited a population of 410. And in the Maritime Zone, it benefited a population of 200. So we, in the Northern Division, we completed at the ongoing projects we have now is the Northern Division we completed at Ravi Ravi, the Rekeniwai. In the Western Division we completed Malo Malo, we completed Nambukandra, we completed Wendongo. So currently we've got projects, 3 ongoing projects, Watumongi, where 105 individuals will benefit. 660 meters of coastline, we are looking at establishing the seawall to protect the community there. There's another ongoing project in Ra, Vere Vere, which should complete by maybe middle of next week or so, where 225 individuals will benefit. 150 meters of coastline that we are developing the nature-based seawall. The other project that we, because of the border on the other side of Nasori, Nananu village, we're quite behind with that. It's a big project, 500 meters. So the Nananu one, we're looking at probably in 2 months' time we should finish. We want to restart the project immediately from next week. There was also an issue of supply of boulders. So we just today lunchtime we had a short meeting about where we're going to get the boulders from. So our staff will visit that place, the nearby village, maybe tomorrow to talk to the President Koro if we could get the boulders from there. So we're looking at completing these 3 ongoing projects, Watubongi, Vere Vere, and Nananu. We should be able to finish. Watumongi and Vere Vere should finish by in 2 weeks' time, whereas Nananu 2 months' time. Honourable Mr. Speaker, we're looking at a total of 11 more seawall projects to be completed this year from the Ministry's budgetary allocation for this financial year. These are as follows. In the Northern Division, in Ravi Ravi, in the Northern Division, it's Nambumbu, Navuniebu, and Visongo. The Nambumbu, we're looking at 140 meters of seawall. Navuniebu, 250 meters of seawall. Visongo, 200 meters of seawall. In the Western Division, we're about to start at Vesese. Then we will go to Navalau. We're about to start in Namatukula. Maybe next week we will do the groundbreaking ceremony. And Nailanga. The Namatukula one would be funded through the British High Commission funding. And then in the Central and Maritime, Subabo, Namuana, and Wailevu. So, Mr. Speaker these are the ones that will be funded by the Ministry's budget. We also have got $1.5 million from ADB. There is some changes to the paperwork. The funding might, by the time we get the funding, it will be probably maybe in November or so. Our target from that is to do at Natewa village, Lakemba village, Kanakana village, that's in Dakonrobe, and then in Western Division, Nabutu settlement, Sayuko village, and Dangange, and then Ngaloa, Waibatuloa, and Tonguru at Central Division, and Garani and Gau. So we're looking at these ones. If we get the funding by November, we will probably outsource this. We're looking at that, and we should be able to finish that by If simultaneously we'll do it, we should finish it by June, July next year. That's the target. Thank you.